get a glimpse of what the final product will look like, click on the Page Layout tab and look for the Sheet Options subsection. We are going to uncheck the View box under Grid Lines. Don't worry about the Add Header and Add Footer section. When you click Print and look at the preview of the page, it won't have those sections on there. The only minor problem with the invoice is that it doesn't take up the entire page. Thankfully, it is a quick and easy fix to get the invoice to fill up a full page. Let's navigate to the top of the page and left click on the one at the left side of the document. Now hold down the Shift key and left click on row 41. This will cause your document to turn gray. Now just move our cursor to the bottom of the 41 box and it will turn into a plus sign. Hold down the left mouse button and drag it down to about 0.22 inches. Now our document will make full use of the page. Now this is when things become optional, but if you would like to save a bit of time when inputting data, here's a quick example of how to get Excel to do some calculations for you. Let's head over to row 17. You don't need to type anything in the serial number or product description field, but feel free to. In the price field, you can type whatever number you like. Do the same for the quantity field. To get Excel to multiply the two fields in H17, type without the quotations, F17 times G17. To make the multiplication symbol, hold down the Shift key and press the number 8 at the top of the keyboard. Once you have the formula typed in, just press Enter in Excel. We'll do the rest for that row. Do you want to keep using that total formula, but don't feel like retyping it in every H column? Well, great news! You can quickly copy it to other columns when you highlight the Amount column. It will have a green border around it. Look for the small green square at the bottom right of the cell. Move the mouse cursor over that green square and it will turn into a small plus. When it does, hold down the left mouse button and drag it down to H30. When you let go of the mouse button, you will see it fills all the empty cells with zeros. You successfully copied the formula. Now, when you type in a price and quantity, it will auto-calculate in the amount field. But what if you don't want all those zeros to show up on the form? Click on the cell that has our original formula in row H17. We can see our formula in the bar that is highlighted by the oval. We can modify it by left-clicking in that bar. If you want, you can delete the old formula or you can modify it with the new additions. What we will type in is equal if parentheses G17 is greater than 0, comma, F17 times G17, comma, quotation marks in parentheses. Press Enter when you are finished typing the formula. To create the greater than sign, hold down Shift and press the period key. Also, there is a space between the two quotation points in the formula. Now, nothing looks different, but let's copy that formula to the other cells. Excel will now automatically remove the zeros from showing up in the amount fields. The rest of the formulas we will use will be much simpler to write out. To calculate the total amount, click on the H31 field and type in equal sum, parentheses, H17 through H30. Press Enter and it will add cells H17 through H30 together automatically. To calculate tax in A32, you can either type equal B31 times G31, or you can type in equal, then left click on the B31 cell to auto add it to the formula. Type in multiplication symbol and left click the G31 cell to add it to the formula. Press Enter when you have the formula. Be careful and make sure you type in G31 to your formula. If you type in B31 times H31, you will get a 0, even though the cells are merged. Excel seems to want you to start with the earliest letter of the merged cell. In cell C32, type in the formula G31 times D31. Press Enter. To calculate the final amount in cell G32, type in G31 plus A32 minus C32. Press Enter. You can type in whatever number you want in cell G34 as the amount that was paid. In cell G35, type in the formula equal G32 minus G34. Press Enter. You will get the balance due. This is what your final page should look similar to. And now let's review. If you are working with a merged cell for a formula, always start off with the earliest letter of the merged cell. Be sure to save your work frequently. This can be done by going to the File tab and clicking Save or Save As. And lastly, if you make a mistake, you can hold down the Control key and press the Z button to undo your most recent addition. You can also make an appointment with one of our computer desk associates. For example, this lovely video was designed by Dustin Barnes.
Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video so you can be aware of the next time we upload. Thank you.